Hello.
Hi, Jose. My name's Scott, the AI bot with I just got a form from you requesting a free septic consultation. My job's to quickly help you with that. Does that sound good?
Sure. Can I talk to a live agent, please?
I'm actually the AI voice assistant for I can help you get your information to a septic specialist and set up a time for them to call you directly. If that works, I can get started right now. Would you like me
Okay.
to go ahead and help you schedule that call?
Sure.
Awesome. To help us better assist you, can you confirm if you're the property owner where the septic system will be installed?
Yes.
Thanks. To get a better idea of your project, how many bedrooms will the home have?
Tiny house.
Thanks for sharing that. Is it just one bedroom in your tiny house, or are there more?
2.
Got it. 2 bedrooms. One more quick question. If we can help and the septic solution meets all your conditions of satisfaction, including price, when would you want to start?
Yesterday.
I get it. You're eager to get started. I can have one of our septic specialists give you a call to walk through everything and answer all your questions. Would that work for you?
Sure. Call me in the morning.
Okay, no problem. What day would be best for the call? Tomorrow morning or another day?
Tomorrow morning.
We have tomorrow morning spots open at 9 a.m., 10 a.m., and 11 a.m. Which of
9
those?
a.m.
Just to confirm, you'd like to book the call for tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Sure.
You're all set. A septic specialist will call you tomorrow at 9 a.m. I have scheduled your appointment, and you will get a text and email reminder. Thanks for your time, and goodbye for now.
Goodbye.